Alrighty, guys, welcome to another opening with Malik's card collection. Today we're going to be opening the August edition of the Boombox Elite Football. Let's just get into it. I opened the July ones, pulled some pretty good cards out of there. I feel like this is the way to go if you're going to buy hobby, instead of the box of just one product where you just spend, $350 plus. Even though I did pull the Luminance, those were good. But yeah, I think the Boombox is a pretty good product. We got the checklist here. August Elite Football Boombox 2024 Optic, first off the line. Got two of those. Phoenix, first off the line. Two of the 2025 Elites. So yeah, let's just get into this. Comes with the card holder. Then we got the Don Russ, we got Optic, Elite, another Optic, Elite, and Phoenix. So let's go in that order. So we'll start with the Phoenix. I've never really cared for these cards, but I've opened quite a few of them. Amari Cooper, Gus Edwards. Then we got Jalen Warren on a parallel there. It's a pretty nice looking card. And then we got, I was hoping that was Jaden Daniels, but we got Terry McLaurin. And that is numbered. Let's see. That is 1 out of, is that 1? Yeah, 1 out of 80. So, first number there, and then Jatavian Sanders. Go with the Elite next. Kid Porter. And we got Brock Bowers. Wesley Walls, Justin Simmons, Steve Young, and we have Caleb Johnson, number 3 out of 199. So that's the kind of stuff we're looking for there. It's a dope card. I think he's going to have a good year. Every Steelers running back has a good year, especially their first couple of years. And they start to kind of dip off for whatever reason. Got Von Miller, T.J. Hawkinson. We got L'Jarius Sneed, the flex emoji. Not necessarily the guy we want, but that is numbered 18 out of 149. And then we got Jordan Travis. Make sure again these weren't numbered. Let's do the Don Russ. KJ Osborne, Tyler Higbee, Christian Wilkins. We got our first auto. It's Hufunga, who is now a Bronco. And that is number 28 out of 299. Oh, we almost got the jersey number there. It's a nice looking card though. Trey Hendricksons, Dominators. Hopefully the Bengals re-sign him soon. I don't know why they keep playing around with him. But then we got a Bo Dix, rookie, Gridiron Kings. Got Drake May on the bomb squad. Joe Milton. And Russell Douglas. Zach Moss. It's not terrible so far. I always think if you get like at least one auto and a couple number cards out of anything you open, I think that's a pretty good pull. So Taysom Hill, Clinton Portis, Josh Allen, Michael Irvin, and oh man, I thought that was Jaden Daniels. Jalen Lane on the Pin Pals. I've never even heard of Jalen Lane. Is he? What is he? Speed. Also, he's a wide receiver. Alrighty, last pack. Optic. Everybody's chasing those downtowns. I've never gotten one yet. Miles Sanders. Fred Warner. We got parallel there. Rashad White. And that is numbered 66 out of 80. And then we got Trey Benson. Quick recap here. We got Rashad White, numbered card. Jalen Lane, Pin Pals. Hufanga, auto. Jarius Sneed, and the flex emoji, numbered. Caleb Johnson, numbered. Terry McLaurin, numbered. And then we got a Jalen Warren. It's not numbered, just a parallel. So yeah, overall not bad. I like these. I like the boom boxes. Yeah, I suggest you guys go and pick one of these up. There's always great cards in here. So, yep. Alrighty, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.